phone stuck in guided access and the triple click isn't working. Don't worry, you're going to have a few ways to get back into your iPhone. First, if your iPhone has Face ID, what you're going to want to do is quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone restarts, guided access will usually be turned off, and you can unlock your iPhone with your regular passcode. If that doesn't work, let me show you a few more things you can try. If you already set up Face ID or Touch ID for guided access, go ahead and double-click the side button or the home button. This can bypass the guided access passcode screen and help you get out of the lock. Another method is using Find My. Open the Find My app on another Apple device or sign into iCloud from a web browser. Put your iPhone into lost mode. This remote command can sometimes break the guided access loop and give you control of your device again. If your screen is completely frozen and nothing responds, you probably have one last option. Wait until the battery completely drains. Once the iPhone shuts down, charge it again and turn it back on. After you regain access to your iPhone, make sure this doesn't happen again. Open the Settings app, tap Accessibility, select Guided Access. From here, you can turn guided access off completely, or check that your passcode settings are working correctly. If you would like a detailed guide for force restarting your specific iPhone model, check the video linked in the description or the pinned comment. That's it. If this video helped you, go ahead and leave a like. If you have any other questions, ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting videos.